Hello, teacher.
Hello? What's your name?
My name is Giorgio.
Okay. How old are you?
I'm 10.
10 years old. How are you today?
I'm good.
Okay, can I see your number?
Okay, number two, the topic will be my family. So I will ask you some questions. First, how many people are in your family?
There are 5 people in my family.
Who are they?
They are my grandmother, my father, my mother, my younger sister, and me.
Okay, and who is the youngest person in your family?
The youngest person in my family is my younger sister.
Okay, and who is the oldest person?
Oldest person in my family is my grandmother.
Okay. And who does the cooking in the family?
My mother always cooking for my family.
Oh, and what kind of dishes can she cook?
She can cook everything.
Oh, everything. Wow, that's great.
Okay, we just finished part one. Right now we move on to part two. So your topic is your family. So right now you need to talk about your family. So
You can place on.
yeah, you can base on the
Great.
four questions.
You have 1 to 2 minutes.
To prepare.
The person I usually play with is my older sister. She's very happy and funny. She's very kind because can help many things. I always play with her because she is very kind and she's very funny.
Okay. Um, can I ask you, how old is your sister?
She is 13 years old.
13 years old. And can she speak English well?
Yes, she can.
What do you often play with your sister?
I often play badminton with my sister.
Okay, and can she teach you learn English?
Yes.
Oh,
Okay, so that's all for your much for joining our test today, our speaking test.